Oh, they did get the pro red in here. Nice. Pro green. Might have to pick that up. Bump bear, that's a good one. I thought they were cheaper. Excalibur. 4 more. Alright, so this is my fireworks stash for the end of 2013. Just got back from a shopping trip. Some of the stuff I already had before. Everything on the left is going to be for my Christmas show, including these Roman candles down here. And everything over here I'm just going to keep around. Probably shoot off individually like I usually do in my videos. Or put it in a show, maybe New Year's. Keep it around for 4th of July. Not sure yet. But over here, hopefully I'm going to have this show in the next 7 days. If I have to have it after Christmas, then that's alright. Most of this stuff is red and green. If you'll notice, like for example, Emerald City over here, that's green. So let's look at the stuff I got for like my miscellaneous stuff. I went to Atomic and I went to Fantasy Fireworks. Delusional, Martin Bombers, that was from Atomic Fireworks, and from Fantasy Fireworks I got Black Whip, I had that. Magic Carpet, and Battle of Fort Sumter. I just went and got another Battle of Fort Sumter and a Royal Flush. All some pretty good cakes. Battle of Fort Sumter, that's a quick one, 5 different colors. 25 shot. Magic Carpet, that's a classic. Just red, green, and blue, you know, good duration. Black Whip, that's going to be multicolor breaks with blue breaks with the 10-shot finale. Delusional, I forget what this is, but I know it's really good. Royal Flush, multicolor breaks. Martin Bombers, that's pretty small, inexpensive. I think I saw this do a scramble effect. What's this do? This does, it does whatever, I don't know. But so over here for my Christmas show, I got Mean Green. Got 3 of these from Fantasy Fireworks. From Black Cat, these things are gonna shoot up green mines and then they're gonna break red and then change to green. From Fantasy, I also got Big Dog, 2 of these. I already had one. That's gonna be 5x5, 5 red, 5 green, 5 red, 5 green to gold. All gold glitter breaks, pretty nice. And then over here from Atomic, sorry, Atomic, I got 3 Black Thunders. If you ever see a video on these, you're probably going to want to get it too. These are really nice. It's basically going to cover the whole sky with like this bouquet effect, like this crackle. And so I decided to get 3 of these. I'm going to put these in my finale. I think it'll be pretty cool. I'm also going to throw 2 Emerald Cities in my finale from Phantom Fireworks. I got these on an earlier shopping trip. I got 2 Astral Galaxies. I already fired both of these off in my channel. Got oh yeah, forgot about the performance. These Astral Galaxies, they're gonna shoot red, green, and white pistols with a persistent strobe and glitter effect. It's a beautiful cake, one of my favorites. Emerald City is gonna be mostly just like silver breaks with green stars. Machine gun shell, those are going to be kind of like spider breaks with crackle, a white crackle effect. Solar explosion, those are going to be red and green with some white strobe. I'm just going by what I've seen in videos, I could be wrong. Instant replay, that's going to alternate between red and green, 12 shot. Got this from Atomic. Let's see what else. We got Stoned. I like this one because it's in the shape of a star. From AAH Fireworks. Pretty cool decals. This one's mostly red, but it's got some green strobe in it, so I got it. And then, okay, here we go. Big and Bad. This one is huge. This is definitely the heaviest one. This was 18 bucks. They call it a 200-gram keg, but it feels more like a, I don't want to say 500, but more like a 300, 360 maybe. 300-gram cake, and I'm not really sure what this does. The performance just says palm breaks and crackle. I think I saw some red strobe in the videos, but I got it, and it's probably going to be one of the last things I fire off. I want to go from small to big, which is why I got 96 shot color pearls from Mega Banger. These are just red and green shots, and then eventually they'll turn to silver and report. Same with Happy Fireworks. Here we go, performance. 36 shots, red, green, with some reports in there. And then I got this Twitter glitter fountain that's going to shoot at the conclusion of it. It's going to be all red and green, and the conclusion is going to be a shot of red and a shot of green. And I was hoping to use that for like my introduction to the show. I like to start off light and possibly even quiet if I can. That's why I went and got some Roman candles. This all came in a pack except for this one over here from my Hard Fist pack. Red and green pearls. These 3 are going to be silver tails. These 4 are going to be red and green crackles. And these are going to be red and green with report. So from Atomic, I also picked up some Perfect Fuse. Burns slightly faster than my Visco. Signed up to be a VIP member, so they gave me a free shirt. That's pretty cool. Atomic, they're building a new store right now. It'll probably be up in the spring. So that's my fireworks stash for the end of 2013 and possibly into 2014. Might save some of this stuff over here for 4th of July. Probably just going to shoot it off on New Year's if I can find a good launch site. Like I said, the show is going to be hopefully within the next week. And hopefully I get an audience for it. To anyone who watches this on YouTube, let me know if you want to inquire about any of these prices or where exactly I got these or how these things performed. And to all my family and friends, this is my gift for you for Christmas. It's going to be here for anybody who wants it, anybody who wants to come down. And show's probably going to last. I know it's a lot of stuff right here, but you know, to be honest, I think the show's only going to last like 8 minutes or so if I can space out a lot of this stuff. I don't know. I got more than I thought I would get, so maybe it'll be like 10. I'm not sure, but I can promise you it'll definitely be worth your time. So let me know if you want to come down to watch these. And like I said, as for my YouTube viewers, let me know what you think of all these things. All right, see ya.